What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making Instant Pot Zuppa Toscana soup. You know, that bomb soup that they serve at Olive Garden. It's so easy to make at home. Let's go ahead and get started. So first you want to take a teaspoon of olive oil and add that to your Instant Pot using the saute function, and then add in 1/2 cup of chopped onions, 1/2 pound of ground sausage. I find that Italian sausage works the best. And then go ahead and break down that sausage. I like to use a meat chopper to do that. And then add in 2 to 3 minced garlic cloves and give that a good stir. Then add in 3 cups of chicken broth. And then add 2 pounds of russet potatoes. These have the skin on and have been scrubbed and sliced into cubes about 1 inch thick. And then add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and salt and pepper to taste. Give that a good stir, and then place your lid on the Instant Pot and then cook that on manual high pressure cooking for 5 minutes. Then you're gonna open up that pot and you're gonna add 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/3 cup of unsweetened almond milk, or you can use any milk that you wish, and then 2 slices of cooked and crumbled bacon, and 2 to 3 cups of fresh kale. You wanna remove those stems from the kale first and give everything a nice stir. And there you have it, Zuppa Toscana soup. I like to top this with more crumbled bacon and a little bit of shredded parmesan.